In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickBank with Payoneer. By the end, you'll have your ClickBank payment set to land in your Payoneer account via direct deposit, using the receiving account details that Payoneer provides. First, open your ClickBank dashboard and sign in. From the main navigation, go to the Accounts section. This page lists the accounts associated with your profile. Click the nickname of the specific account you want to receive payments for. This opens the account's main area where you can manage settings tied to payouts. Inside that account, head to Account Settings. This is where ClickBank stores your business details, tax information, and payment preferences. Look for the Payment Information section and choose Edit. If you're prompted to confirm your login, just follow the on-screen prompts before continuing. When the Payment Settings page loads, select Direct Deposit as your payment method. Direct deposit is what connects ClickBank to the bank details Payoneer provides through its receiving accounts. This is different from checks or wires and is generally faster and more predictable. Before you fill out the form, open your Payoneer account in another tab and grab the exact receiving account details you plan to use. Payoneer offers different receiving accounts by currency and region, for example, USD, EUR, or GBP. So pick the one that matches what ClickBank can send for your location and currency. You'll need the account holder name as it appears in Payoneer, the bank name, the routing or IBAN details, the account number, and the country tied to that receiving account. Enter everything exactly as shown in Payoneer. The account holder name must match your Payoneer profile, and the country and currency you choose in ClickBank should align with the receiving account you selected in Payoneer. Small typos or mismatched countries and currencies are common causes of failed deposits, so take a moment to double-check each field. Once all fields are complete, review the payment settings shown on the page to ensure they reflect your preferences, then save your changes. If ClickBank asks for verification, like confirming with a code, just complete that step to finalize the update. After saving, you should see a confirmation that your payment method has been updated. That's it. Your ClickBank account is now set to pay out via Payoneer using direct deposit. If a future payment doesn't arrive as expected, revisit these fields and verify the routing, IBAN, and account number exactly match your Payoneer receiving account and confirm the currency and country are correct. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined payouts.